I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by gathering the extender, a Cat5e or Cat6 Ethernet cable, and a nearby outlet. Once powered, plug one end into your router's LAN port and the other into the extender's Ethernet port labeled WAN or LAN depending on the model. Make sure indicator LEDs show a wired link. If not, reseat the cable. Now that the wired path exists, you're ready to access the extender's admin interface from your computer or phone to continue configuration. You next log into the extender's web interface or vendor app using the default IP or setup address. Once in, switch the device to access point or wired mode so it uses the Ethernet backhaul. This reduces wireless hops and improves speed. Make sure to disable the extender's DHCP if your router handles IP assignments. Then set the SSID and password. Either clone the routers for seamless roaming or use a distinct name. Choose WPA2/WPA3 security, an option. You finish by rebooting the router and extender, then testing multiple devices to confirm stable internet and expected speeds across the coverage area. Once confirmed, update the extender's firmware, label the device, and finalize placement for best coverage and ventilation. If a device loses connectivity, try switching the Ethernet port on the router, replace the cable, or perform a factory reset and repeat configuration. This single troubleshooting tip: swap ports and cable first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.